Hello guys, it's me and Ryan here.
What's up?
Sure, what's up? And we are at the car convention. We are at the car convention, as you can see here. We're at the car convention. And we are trying out cars.
Yeah. After this, we're gonna see different kind of sports cars. And after
They say want to see a Lamborghini.
I hope we can see a Lamborghini.
Yeah, sure you will. I doubt there's even a Lamborghini here.
So that's gonna be Bugatti.
Yeah, the Bugatti, man.
Yes.
The freaking Bugatti, yay! But as you can see here, guys, we are in some kind of car convention. I forgot what it was. It's a car show. Oh, car show, not car convention. Car show. And we're just like looking at awesome cars. This one right here. This, I'm not doing much of it. That red truck in front of us right there, that's red.
Yeah, I like it.
And that one in the back right there. The car is like all the way, I don't know if you guys see it, but there's lots of people here too.
We was waiting for a long time.
Yeah, that truck over there too. And there's lots of things. Man, oh my god, this is like the best car show ever. It sounds boring, so I don't know why you want to see a Bugatti, and you said the car show is lame.
No, I want to see a sports car.
Yeah, but you said it was lame though. I'm gonna probably stop it at 5. No, that would never happen. Oh my god, this is so Hey, Ryan. I got good news to tell you.
Wow.
Someone's wearing a Van Life sweater. I just saw it.
Why?
I can't see from here, but well, look at that nice engine. Look at that nice engine right there. Oh my god. Hey, Ryan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to
Ryan, I have to tell you. Do you like the car show? Okay, look at me. Let me say that. Do you like it?
Yes.
You do not like the car show. I know for a fact you don't like it.
I like it.
You hate it. You hate it. You hate it, don't you? Oh my god. You hate the car show, don't you?
No.
Look at me and say that. You said it earlier. Look at me and say it.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna give you a leg muff if you don't do that. It's on my car on top of that.
When I first heard about Jeep making
Hey Ryan, I'm looking at the engine. I'll be right back, okay? Look at that engine, guys. Is it sick?
It's calm.
Ryan, get it? Yeah, Ryan's getting filled up with everything. I don't see it. Oh, that. Holy cow. That. I don't see that. Oh my god. Look guys, look, this is the cars. This is the cars that we're talking, guys. Look at this. Look at these cars. They're nice. Look at this one. This car's in the back too, as you can see, guys. It's in the back. Very sorry. What the heck is that? What kind of car is that? Okay. Like a race car. We rented. Oh, wait, what is on the top of the car? God damn. Yo, wheels though. What the hell is it? They're on the shoulder. Guys, look at this car. Isn't it great? Oh, look at that gold car over there. Oh, this looks nice. Guys, this thing looks like a camp mixture.
That thing is cool.
Oh, that's the car we want, guys. Guys, this is the car we want. Guys, look at this. This is field packed with everybody. Lots of people. This is packed with people. Look at this car.
Sick card.
Oh, that one's sick. And this one right here too. Look at that. This one right in front of you too. It has a bike in it. Look, Ryan, that's a bike in it. Also, that's a bike in it. That car I would definitely drive for there. That car I would definitely drive. This one, I'll put you. Hey, Ryan, I'll put you in the back right here.
Okay, I like this. That's the drink car.
I'll drive and you fall off.
Jake Paul car.
I'll drive.
Jake Paul car.
I'll drive and you fall off the back. I'll leave you behind.
No, it's the Jake Paul car.
Oh my god. Dude, this lights like packed. I think it's crowded. Packed. Hey Ryan. Hey Ryan. Hey guys, it's nice, guys. Alright, guys, look at this. And then there's the back. Hey Ryan, what you think about the car? Ryan, what you think about the car? What you think about it? Get inside. Get inside. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. Come on, get inside.
I don't like this car.
Get inside it. Just take a look at it. Dude, at least go in. No, go inside. Seriously, go inside. Go inside. Go inside the car. Come on.
I can go inside the car.
All right, fine. Go inside the tent. Just go inside the tent. The tent's back there.
No.
No, go inside the tent. It's connected to the car. Go inside the damn tent. Go.
Inside, back in the tent is sick.
What?
Back in there.
Check for yourself. I don't know. Check for yourself. I'm good. I see you guys from the high to eye on there. Look at this little mini tent behind that car. And Ryan is too much of a baby to go inside the tent.
here.
Oh my god, poor Ryan. Hey look guys, it's NYPD. But look at this guys. Dude, this place is insane. Oh my god, dude. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here for this video. Subscribe to us and see you guys next time. Bye.